While marriage is a beautiful thing, it's becoming more and more common that people are just deciding marriage just isn't for me. There's nothing wrong with that. It's your prerogative. I'm a fan for doing what works for you. But what happens if you decide, hey, I'm going to cohabitate with my partner and we're going to buy a house together. I'm going to co-sign on a loan. We're going to purchase cars together. We're going to do all of the things, but we're just deciding not to get married. What happens if the relationship goes sour and you decide to break up? You can't go to the family court to help you decide what happens to the property and the debt. Not in South and North Carolina, because they don't recognize common law marriage. It has to be a legal marriage. South Carolina at one point did recognize common law marriage, but they don't anymore. So what you would have to do is file in civil court if the two of you can't agree, so that you can discuss things as to what's going to happen to the house. What do we do with these things that we can't agree upon? Here's what you need to do, or you should do, to be proactive. To get a contract, I would advise you to go to an attorney. A contract, a cohabitation agreement that talks about what will happen to the house. Are we going to sell the house? Are you going to buy me out of the house? What's going to happen to the debt? Are you going to have some time to refinance it? Are we going to sell things? What's going to happen if our relationship just does not work? By having that contract, if you have to file in civil court, that's going to be a great piece of evidence to present to the court, and also will help the court figure out what needs to happen to the property and the debt if things just don't work out.